Hello everyone, how are you friends? Hope you all are fine. Today we are showing you very interesting, beautiful, gorgeous Christmas decoration ideas. So welcome to our Christmas decorating journey today. I will share beautiful and easy Christmas decoration ideas today for you that are perfect for beginners. You don't need special skills or expensive supplies. With a little creativity and love, you can make your home look warm, festive, and full of Christmas joy. Christmas is a wonderful season of love, happiness, and family decorating your home. Your home is one of the most exciting traditions, and every small decoration brings a magical feeling and creates memories that will stay with you for many years. Start with a beautiful Christmas tree. It does not have to be large or costly. Even a small tree can look amazing with simple ornaments, colorful lights, and a lovely star on the top. Choose a color theme before decorating. Classic red, green, gold, and white are always beautiful. Using matching colors makes your decoration looks elegant, organized, and welcoming. Soft string lights can completely change the look of your room. Wrap them around the Christmas tree, place them on shelves, or hang them near windows to create a warm and cozy atmosphere. Decorate your front door with a lovely Christmas wreath. A simple wreath made with green branches, ribbons, and small ornaments give guests a warm and careful welcome. Use ribbons and bows to decorate gifts, the Christmas tree, chairs, and even flower pots. They are affordable, beautiful, and instantly make everything look festive. Add cozy Christmas cushions and soft blankets to your living room. These simple touches make your home feel comfortable and perfect for relaxing with family during the holiday season. Decorate your dining table with candles, pine cones, and a festive table runner. A beautiful table makes every Christmas meal feel more special and memorable. Hang Christmas stockings above the fireplace or on a wall. They are fun, colorful, and one of the most loved Christmas traditions for both children and adults. Create handmade paper snowflakes with your family. This easy craft is enjoyable, expensive, and adds a beautiful winter touch to your windows and walls. Pine cones are wonderful natural decorations. Paint them with white or gold colors. Add a little glitter and display them in bowls or baskets around your home. Decorate your empty glass jars with fairy lights, ribbons, and artificial snow. These homemade lanterns create a magical glow that makes every room feel warm and peaceful. Use fresh greenery like pine branches around mirrors, shelves, and tables. The natural green colors adds freshness and gives your home a classic Christmas style. Do not forget your windows. Hang ornaments, stars, or snowflakes to make your home look beautiful from both inside and outside. A Christmas centerpiece can become the highlight of your table. Combine candles, greenery, ornaments, and ribbons for a simple but elegant decoration. Small decorative signs with joyful Christmas words bring extra charm to your home. They remind everyone about the love, peace, and happiness of your season. Wrap empty boxes with beautiful gift paper and ribbons. Place them under the tree to create a full and festive Christmas display even before the real gifts arrive. Use soft Christmas music while decorating. It creates a joyful mood and makes the decorating experience even more enjoyable for the whole family. Remember that simple decorations are often the most beautiful. You don't need to fill every corner. A clean and balanced design always looks elegant and welcoming. Mix homemade decorations with store bought items. This combination makes your home unique and adds a personal touch that everyone will appreciate. Children can help decorate too. Let them make paper ornaments, color Christmas pictures, or hang simple decorations. It creates happy family memories together. Decorate your staircase with green garlands, ribbons, and small lights if you have one. It instantly gives your home a luxurious Christmas appearance. Use candles safely to create a peaceful and relaxing atmosphere. Battery operated candles are also a wonderful option because they are beautiful and easy to use. A Christmas village or a small holiday figurines can add extra charm to your shelves or tables. These little details make your decorations feel complete. Every beginner can create amazing Christmas decorations with simple ideas, creativity, and confidence. Start with small projects, enjoy the process, and make your home shine with holiday spirit. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these easy Christmas decoration ideas inspire you to decorate your home with joy and confidence. Wishing you and family a Merry Christmas filled with people around the world, and keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel because we need your support. And do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Hope you like all ideas and collection. It's a very amazing different Christmas home decoration ideas. Most beautiful, most demanding, different articles, different collection, different handmade crafts ideas. It's a very amazing and different, amazing Christmas